All right, well, this is the backup camera of your Polestar. You can see you're right above the license plate. I just want to show you the location on Polestar 2 in case you are wondering, because I couldn't figure it out for the longest time where it was located. You can see the license plate there, and I'll show you where the camera is on the bumper and license plate. It is right up there, you see it? That's it. So you got to clean off with your finger, whatnot. Upper right hand corner of license plate is where it is.